Hey, my friend, looking to talk to you about struggling to earn extra money. That is a struggle and it is a grind. I get it. You are so tired of feeling like you're always behind. You work entirely too hard to still be stressing over gas and groceries and due dates. At least that's what I tell myself. And you shouldn't have to create a huge course just to start earning. There's nothing wrong with creating a huge course. You shouldn't have to show your face if you don't want to. You shouldn't have to really need high-tech skills just to earn money. So you're looking for some relief. You're looking to resurrect your dreams, your hopes of earning money online. And because of that, that's why I grabbed this $27 PDF plan. This thing is just everything. It lets you set up one digital product in less than 24 hours. And you can sell it over and over again for $27. See, I almost got tongue-tied right there. You can set this digital product up in 24 hours and you can sell it over and over again for $27. You get full resale rights. Everything that you need is right in here. I went through this step by step. And the person who put this together, she is somebody's teacher. I didn't have to call anyone to set this up. That's why I'm saying no tech skills, and you definitely don't need to borrow money for $27. So there's no complicated funnels. You don't have to post 5 and 6 times a day, and there's no waiting for you to launch. You can do this, set this up in less than 24 hours and be in a position to start earning. So as I close, imagine paying your bills on time. Imagine having consistent $27 payments coming in. You know, that gets it going. You can scale up later. Let's get something in your hands that's actually working, that's actually fun to do, and that actually allows you to implement what you're learning in this guide. That way you don't have to be trying to learn something for weeks and weeks and weeks. No, you learn it, you post it, boom, you're in a position to earn. So this is what repeat income can do for you. So if you're ready to stop struggling and you're ready to start earning smarter, this is a simple move for you. It's a simple move. So click the link in the video description. You're going to come to this. Just read it. Everything that you see here, this is why I'm amazed. I have bought digital products and not get what they said that I was going to get. It's a total bummer. I've been discouraged the last few weeks. I'm like, what am I going to find so that I can help other people and help myself? I'm tired of buying stuff, reading stuff on a page, and then when I buy it, it's not even what it says. That's not the case here. All right? So click the link, come here, check it out, get the PDF plan. Many blessings, my friend.